Hi friends, I am Dr. Tina C. Banihatti. Today I am here to tell about COVID-19 vaccination while planning for pregnancy, during pregnancy and after delivery. Pre-pregnancy is the best time to take COVID-19 vaccine. So, if you're planning your pregnancy, you can go ahead and take COVID-19 vaccination. It is advised to plan pregnancy 6 to 8 weeks after second dose of vaccine. If you have conceived after taking first dose of COVID-19 vaccination, don't panic, nothing to worry. You can still continue your pregnancy. It is advised to take second dose of vaccine after 12 weeks of pregnancy, or you can consult your gynecologist. Coming to COVID-19 vaccination in pregnancy, it is going to be an informed decision. You have to understand the risks and the benefits associated with the vaccination, and you should make your decision. I am here to help you make your informed decision. Pregnancy as such does not increase the risk of infection. 90% of the pregnant ladies with infection are either asymptomatic or will have very mild disease, which will not require any hospitalization. Only in 10% of the pregnant ladies with the infection, they can have severe disease, which will require hospitalization, ICU admission, early delivery, or other life-threatening complications. 95% of the babies born to the COVID positive mothers are healthy and they're doing great. Only less than 5% of the babies required an ICU admission due to preterm delivery or because they were weighing less than 2.5 kgs. Pregnant ladies who are at high risk of getting infection are those who are more than 35 years, those who are obese, those who have already existing high BP and diabetes, and those who have history of blood clotting in their limbs. Now, let us understand the benefits and the risks associated with the vaccination. Coming to the benefit, as all of us know that it protects against COVID-19. But if you are in a notion that after taking vaccination, I will never get COVID-19, it's wrong. It's a myth. You can still get infected, but the severity of the infection will be less. Hence, chances of getting admission in the ICU and all will be less. Coming to the risks associated with the vaccination, the side effects are usually very mild, like fever, pain at the injection site, feeling of unwell, total body aches can be there, which can be very common after any other vaccination. Very rarely other side effects can be there. How much rare? Like 1 in 1 lakh to 1 in 5 lakh women can have rare side effects within 20 days of vaccination, like difficulty in breathing, chest pain, pain in the abdomen with or without vomiting, any pain in the limbs or the weakness in the limbs or blurring of vision. Contraindications when you should not take the vaccine. If you have any allergy for the constituents of the vaccine, or when you took your first vaccine, if you had a very severe adverse reaction, or if you are already infected with the COVID-19, or as a part of COVID-19 disease, if you have received any antibodies in your treatment, you should not take vaccine. In the last two circumstances, you can delay 12 weeks and then you can take the vaccine. After understanding the benefits, the risks and the contraindications associated with the vaccination, you can take your decision, informed decision. I usually share the government handout with my patients, which will cover all these topics which I covered just now. You can get the link in the description. Vaccination is considered to be safe throughout the pregnancy. But first 12 weeks are very important as organogenesis in the baby is happening. Due to lack of long-term safety data, it is advised to take vaccine after 12 weeks of pregnancy. All the available vaccines in India, Covishield, Covaxin, Sputnik, Moderna are considered to be safe during the pregnancy as per Niti Aayog of India. If you have already delivered or you are a breastfeeding mom, you can go ahead and take the vaccine. Till today, more than 2 lakh pregnant women are already vaccinated with a COVID-19 vaccine. Hope with all this information, you will be able to make your informed decision. Thank you for watching. Have a safe and a wonderful pregnancy.